Hi there, I'm your local matchmaker, matching you to a property. Like this convenient two-bed apartment in Kogarah I'm going to show you today. This simple, tidy apartment sits at the front corner of the complex at second level. It has built-in wardrobes, open dining and living, internal laundry, and a secured car space. Who's this apartment for? Investors who like to take up this opportunity to earn rental income immediately without any renovations or repairs. Or first home buyers, young couple planning to start life together in Kogarah. Who is it not for? Do-it-yourself investors, large families of 4 or more. What I like about this apartment? Views of Botany Bay, very affordable and easy to rent out, conveniently located near St George Hospital and walking distance to train station. Low maintenance. Spacious, bright and sunny. What I don't like about this apartment? Considered near a busy road. Can't do renovations. How much would you pay for this apartment? I don't know. Come through to inspection and you can tell us how much.